Finding the variable is also called solving the equation. So solving this equation means finding the z, here by doing all the operations starting from those in the terms and then between the terms. Now let's consider the equation from the previous discussion. We can also simplify this one, and now what? Unlike in the previous problem, here we have mix of unknown and known numbers on the left. If only we can move those numbers to the right, well, we can do that. But first, an observation. See that in a math equation like this, we can add both sides by the same number and equality still holds. And the case is the same if we use the other three operations, as long as we do that with the same number for both sides and each acts on the whole side. Okay? Now we use the trick to move this constant term and that coefficient to the right. Let's start with the former. To move a constant term, we insert its negative to both sides. In this example, the term is 2, but it subtracts, so really it's minus 2. So we insert plus 2 to both sides, and see that these two terms cancel. Notice that the constant term has moved sides, and also see that it changes its signs from negative to positive. Now we can simplify and get this. Next we move this coefficient. To move a coefficient, we insert its inverse, 1 over 8, or divide by 8 to both sides, and these two cancel. See that the coefficient has moved to the right, and now it becomes divisor. So the rest is just simplification, and we get x. So what did we do? Well, simplifying, adding both sides by 2 to move this term minus 2 to the right, simplifying, dividing both sides by 8 to move this coefficient 8 to the right, and simplifying. If you want to see another example, you might check the next video. But for now, thank you very much for watching.